think I'm feeling some Barbie doll vibes with this one. What y'all think? You know what? It don't matter what anybody else thinks, because that's how I feel right now. Woo! Beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. All right, I'm your girl Miss Chrissy, and if you're here for the first time, thank you so much for joining me. And if you're back, hey girl, hey. So the unit I have for you today, she's from Bobbi Boss, and I wanted to do a blonde unit. I think blonde looks so good on like darker skin tones, and I think before I used to be so afraid to wear color, and this unit I have right here, it is the Amber, and I have her in the color, here we go again with them social security numbers, I have her in the color TTHL 41613. Okay guys, y'all know how I feel about these numbers. Anyway, that's the number I have her in. It's basically like a 613 color mixed with a 4 and all these mixed up things going on in there, but it's a beautiful color. I wanted to try a lighter unit because I just feel like they just look so good. All right, let's go. I'm so excited, guys. Look at this unit. All right, so you have your two combs in the front, your adjustable strap in the back. Barbie vibes. All right, so I'm stretching her out just a little bit, and then I just go ahead and put her on my head. Do you see that? She's so cute. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the hair back and try to cut off this lace. I done cut off them baby hairs. Y'all see that? Anyway, it's fine. So excited. All right guys, this part right here, you see this? Look how she's slipping back. Whoa, she's really slipping back. So she needs security. Don't worry, wig grip. We put that wig grip on and it works wonders. Look, it's stronger now. It's not slipping. All right, so I'm just brushing her out right now, and we're just putting life back to those curls. Your girl's excited. All right, so I just go in with my little bit of powder now in that parting space. Just a little bit. All right guys, so my final thoughts on this. This is a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Ay, ay, ay. All right guys, so I honestly must say that I didn't expect to be disappointed. I mean, Bobbi Boss, like, hands down. I don't know how y'all feel about Bobbi Boss, but all my Bobbi Boss units that I've been wearing have been pretty much winners for me. All right, let's talk about the pros of this unit. The pros, the texture feels amazing. Okay, very soft, very soft. The curls in here, like it's exactly it's exactly like your girl Amber in the picture. It's exactly like her. The cons are for me that I feel is I'm a lazy wearer. I'm a lazy girl. I'm a lazy wig wearer. I mean, I wish I could say that I wasn't, but I like to put my wigs on, girl. I like to put her on and go. I mean, so this, for me, I feel like I can put her on and I can go. If you saw, She did start slipping back, so I would recommend that you secure her with either your spray if you want to wear her longer, or your wig grip. My wig grip for me is fine. It's like not moving. This wig grip is on point. I will put the description below of where you can purchase a wig grip, but trust me, a wig grip will save your life. Thanks, Brittany. All right, also, as far as shedding, I'm not really getting any shedding, guys. Like real talk. This feels so good. It's a synthetic unit, but I must say that I feel like it's not like that plasticky synthetic unit. It's a typical Bobbi Boss, know what they doing unit. All right. Also, you can curl her. It's that premium fiber. You can curl her if you need to, but seriously, girls and boys, you don't need to curl her. If you the curls are popping. The curls, it's a winner. I did go in with a little bit of powder in the middle. I feel like she did need to kind of tone down the part a little bit to look more natural, but that's about it. I didn't need to do any baby hairs because, again, when I feel like I have a middle part, kind of, I feel like I don't really need to do baby hairs. But if you want to do baby hairs, that's your preference. But I feel like this unit personally didn't need it. I love the colors. I love the face framing highlights. It has beautiful colors in it. It has this nice 613 right here, and then it kind of has like your number 4, and then your caramels. Like, it's a lot of nice different colors going on in here. And then I'll turn around so you guys can see the back. She's pretty. She's a good shoulder length. Okay. So all the blonde is mostly in the front, which is fine. I mean, cause we trying to pop out that face. If y'all hear them beads in the background, that's my daughter running around. Anyway, so yeah, so it's perfectly made. Okay, I totally feel Barbie doll vibes with this. I feel like this is it. This is it. I love her. Let me know what you guys think about this. Do you like the wavy kind of short bob looks? What do you think? I don't feel like she's gonna tangle much because she is a shorter unit, and I like when units are shorter with synthetic because you get more tangling when they start getting longer. But with this one, I feel like she's gonna last a while. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all later.